I would also like to welcome Dr. Viral Shah. He heads the Student Welfare Committee of LJ. Sir is a member of the Governing Council of LJ University, has been a member of Board of Studies at GTU. Sir is the CEO of LJ Incubation Center, known as Entrepreneur. He is known for igniting and supporting entrepreneurial spirit of students. He has been a COPUP member of FICCI. He also works as a director of 2 companies. Sir has been working as a principal and associate professor of New LJ Commerce College and has more than 21 years of rich experience in academics. He is the CEO of LJK Foundation. He is the founder of Department of Happiness. He has championed the concept of social entrepreneurship and is successfully supporting 2 initiatives known as Apne, where needy and homeless people are served meals and imparted skills for better livelihood, and Prayas, which imparts free education to children of marginalized strata of society. Having worked with him for more than 15 years, I can vouch for his democratic style of leadership and his forward-looking vision. He strictly followed an open door policy for faculty and students alike. He is known for his creative and out-of-the-box thinking and has harnessed technological developments for betterment of LJ Group of Institutes. Sir, we thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence. I would now like to request Dr. Viral Shah to address the students.
Thank you, Divya Madam. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Dinesh Avasthi, LJ University. Mr. Minesh Shah, he has also joined. He is the Registrar of LJK University. Dr. Divya Soni, In Charge Director, LJ Media and Communications. Professor Hitanshi Kataria, LJ IMC. And dear students, this year, this is an exceptional year, and we had gone through a lot of different say incidences, situations, and now we are through with it. We are about to get out of all this situation. People are working on this COVID vaccine, and very soon we'll have some good results. In this bad time, our best to our students, our employees as a trust, our employees and society also. When I talk about this batch, so I think this is the only batch with which I worked more, and I know almost each and every student of this batch, and this is a different batch. Because with this batch, in this batch only, this batch has initiated LJ 360-degree channel, right? If I'm not wrong. And it has created a buzz, but unfortunately, during and after this COVID incidents, we are on hold right now. But I'm sure very soon we'll have our channel back, which is the initiative of this particular batch. So you people have given a very good direction to media say cell of any university, because we are the only university which has this kind of YouTube channel where we broadcast news and events of the campus. So in that way your contribution is remarkable. So I congratulate you all, and on behalf of Lok Jagrati Kendra, I thank you all also. A lot of things happened in last 2 years of your tenure, of particular this batch, right? And I can say this is very talented batch, and if they get a chance to work with potentially good organization, they can make the difference in those organizations. So without taking much of time, I would like to stop my speech over here, and over to you, Divya Madam. And once again, Avasthi sir, thank you very much for joining us in this media institution.